Welcome back. This is the second video in our tutorial series. We're going to look at the 4.2 lock plate, and we're going to try and draw all the sides using orthographic projection. Side A is the front, side B is the side, and then up and down we're going to draw the top view. So open up your Year 7 or Year 8 template, so you've got a blank screen. Change your layers to the construction layer, because we're going to go ahead and draw in the front, the top, and the side view boxes. So the front view in this particular object is 20 by 60, which is 80, and then 56. So using the line tool, we're going to draw 80 length, 56 height, and complete that back with 80, and click to start. We're going to use our offset tool to space our views out, so we're going to type in a distance of 30, hit enter. Now let's offset this top line up, and of course we're doing the right side view, so the right side line to the side, and hit enter to finish. So let's start with the side view. So our actual width of this view is 52. So this is going to go over 52, down distance of 56, and connect. For the top view, it's also 52. So we're going to go up 52 here, over 80, and back down. Using the text tool, make sure you're in the 0 layer, add some text in, label this one front, capitals, highlight it, and change the size to 5. 5, enter. Okay, repeat the same for the side. Highlight it, change the size to 5, click outside. That didn't quite work. Let's try that again. Okay, key thing, make sure you hit the enter button after you change the text size. So highlight it, change the size to 5, and hit enter. Alright, we're just going to move our views down a little bit. Alright, we're ready to start now. So make sure you're on the 0 layer. We're going to go ahead and trace out the outline of the front view. So using a line tool, we'll start from the right side. So this height here is a bit tricky. Let's actually we'll start from this corner here, and we'll go this way around. So starting here, we're going to go over a distance of 40, which is this line, down 16, over to connect, all the way down, back a distance of 60, up 24, connect to the side, and once again connect to the beginning. So there's our front view there. The next thing we need to do is pop in our hidden view. So there's actually this section here that is cut out that we cannot see from the front, but we need to show. So that is a distance of 30 from the right hand side. So I'm going to draw a line, a distance of 30 from here, over 30, and then all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to click on this hidden view line and change its layer kind to the hidden detail. So that's complete. Now we've drawn the front view. Let's work on the top view next. So once again, using your construction lines, using the line tool, bring up each point to your top view. What can we see? Well, we can see this object here. We can't see that from the top. We can see all the rest of this. So we're going to trace with the hidden detail this line here. So there's our hidden detail. We can't see anything else at the moment. We know that there's this gap in here. So the gap is a distance of 10 on the right hand side and 14 10 on the left and 14 on the right. So we now need to go back and use our 0 layer. Starting from this corner, we're going to go up a distance of 10 and draw it all the way in until it connects here. We're going to then start at the top corner, go down a distance of 14, and draw that in until it connects. So draw it in here. Alright, and let's continue to trace our object out. We can see these lines, so let's draw these ones in. And there you go. So there's our top view. The next part, I guess, to learn in orthographic drawing is that in order to get a more complicated object from the side or from the top, you need to draw and project all sorts of lines. So let's go ahead, let's draw ourselves a construction line. Make sure you set your polar angles to 45 degrees. We're going to draw a line from the far top right corner of the front view all the way out. The next thing we're going to do is use our lines, and we're going to project each corner in the front view over to the side. So this is going to help lay out a few items. This is the next part you need to learn. To get the rest of the detail in the side view, you have to project the top view all the way over and down. So we're going to copy this line over and then all the way to the bottom. We're going to do the same here to our 45-degree angle line and back down. So our side view is beginning to form. Let's change our layer type to 0 and let's draw the outline. So we're tracing the outline. Now we know it comes back up to a height of this one, as you can see from the front view. Come across and back down. Oop, I think I screwed up. Let's try that again. Alright, so it's kind of difficult to see at this point, but let's keep going. So let's change our layer type to hidden detail. Now we need to draw this inside little cutout, which you can notice in the front view is here. So if we follow that across, we can copy this line over. Now let's turn off, under the layer toolbar, our construction lines, and voila, we've almost got it. Looks like I'm missing a line here actually, so let's change that to 0 and let's draw in this line. There you go. So that's complete. Go to your layout 1, change your text to whatever this one is, so 4.2, lock plate. Okay, scale is fine, that's 1 to 1. Put in your date and your name. Now let's change from paper to model. Change our scale 1 to 1. And let's make our view fit within the boundaries. Back to paper. You notice I'm missing some dimensions, so I'm going to go back to my model mode. Let's see what we can add. So change it to your layer type to dimension. Annotate. Grab the linear dimension. So let's start off by popping the 10 and the 14 in. So 10. We'll do that again. 14. Make sure it's the same height. Okay, let's add the 52 in here. Alright, so we've done these 3. Let's put the 30 in. Okay, what else do we need? So we need to add the 16, the 56, the 24, Now that's a bit messy, so let's just move each one down a little bit further. Okay. We need the 20 here. Oop, let me try that one more time. Okay. We need the 60. We need the 40. And we have the 30. Yes, we get the 30. So that's it. So let's take one more quick look. These ones here, I can click that line and bring it down. That kind of makes the white line come back up, and I can click this one and drag that to the corner. Alright. That looks pretty good. We can do the same here. Drag that dot to this corner. Now you notice I'm missing one thing. I need to actually cut that little piece out because it's actually quite flat. So let's go back to the Home tool. Let's use the Trim tool. So we highlight our object, hit enter, and delete out these two pieces. We need to fix that, don't we? Okay, bring this one up. There we go. Alright, so back to our layout 1, and there you go. That is everything. So be sure to save it and print it.